Are you going to EK 2024? Here's everything you need to know if you're joining a game in Gelsenkirchen, Veltins-Arena. In the bustling city of Gelsenkirchen, the Veltins-Arena stands as a testament to modern sports engineering. Opened in 2001, this impressive stadium, home to FC Schalke 04, can accommodate over 62,000 passionate fans. Its unique features, like the retractable roof and pitch, make it a versatile venue for football matches and grand concerts alike. With its state-of-the-art facilities, the Veltins-Arena has become a symbol of innovation and a beloved landmark for sports enthusiasts. Let's now discuss the easiest ways of transportation to the Veltins-Arena. By tram, line 302 runs directly to the Veltins-Arena stop, Veltins-Arena. By bus, several bus lines connect to the stadium, including 380 and 381. By car, there are ample parking facilities around the arena, but it's advisable to arrive early. By train, Gelsenkirchen Hauptbahnhof, main train station, is well connected from where you can take tram 302. On foot bike, if staying nearby, walking or biking can be convenient and enjoyable. Want to watch other games of the Euro 2024 in Gelsenkirchen? Here are some pubs or cafes to watch other Euro 2024 games. Dorfkrug am Markt, a popular pub with a friendly atmosphere, perfect for watching sports. Trinkhalle Schalke, a traditional pub with a large screen for sports events. Café Extrablatt, a well-known chain offering a relaxed environment with multiple screens. Alex Gelsenkirchen, a lively place with good food and a great spot to catch the games. Mutter Weiner, a local favorite with a cozy atmosphere and good beer selection. And while you're in Gelsenkirchen, don't miss the top 10 things to do. Zoom Erlebniswelt, a top-tier zoo with immersive animal habitats divided into Africa, Alaska, and Asia regions. Nordstern Park, a large park with beautiful gardens, walking paths, and a historic mining tower offering panoramic views. Veltins-Arena Tour. Take a behind-the-scenes tour of the Veltins-Arena, home of FC Schalke 04. Kunstmuseum Gelsenkirchen, an art museum featuring modern and contemporary art collections. Schloss Berge, a historic castle surrounded by a picturesque park and lake, ideal for a relaxing stroll. Alma Park, an adventure park offering laser tag, escape rooms, and other fun activities. Keuwe Gelsenkirchen, a cultural center hosting various events including concerts and theater performances. Revierpark Nienhausen, a recreational area with a spa, swimming pools, and sports facilities. Blechkirche, a historic Protestant church with beautiful architecture and a rich history. Halde Reinelbe, a slag heap turned into a public park with trails and sculptures, offering great views of the city. Let's discuss some accommodation possibilities. Gelsenkirchen offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. Courtyard by Marriott Gelsenkirchen, modern hotel with excellent amenities and close to the Veltins-Arena. Schloss Berge, historic hotel set in a beautiful park, offering a unique and luxurious stay. Maritime Hotel Gelsenkirchen, comfortable hotel with good facilities, centrally located. Heiner's Park Hotel, a boutique hotel offering stylish rooms and a great restaurant. Hotel St. Petrus, a charming family-run hotel with cozy rooms and a friendly atmosphere. Last but not least, let's discuss Gelsenkirchen's nightlife scene. Here are 5 nightclubs you must consider exploring. Prater Bochum, a large nightclub with multiple dance floors and a variety of music genres. Tanzbar Palette, known for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse music selection. Club La Boom, popular for its themed nights and lively crowd. Studio, a stylish club offering good music and a great vibe. Night Rooms, a trendy spot with several floors and a variety of music styles. Now you're well prepared for your trip to Gelsenkirchen to visit Euro 2024. Enjoy, and hopefully your country wins.